Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn practical of determine bulking of sand. So first aim is to determine the bulking of fine aggregate, that is sand. Then definition of bulking. What is meant by bulking? So bulking of fine aggregate or sand is the phenomenon of increase in sand volume due to the increase of moisture content is known as bulking. Then next, there are two reasons of bulking of sand. In that first reason is it is due to the formation of water films around sand particles, and second one reason is beyond 8 to 10% the films start breaking and the volume start reducing. Then how to calculate bulking of sand? There is a formula to find out bulking of sand is equal to H1 minus H2 divided by H2 multiplied by 100. So where H1 is nothing but volume of loose sand is in ml, and H2 is nothing but volume of saturated sand in ml. So bulking of sand is measured in percentage. Then next we see require apparatus. In that first measuring jar, its capacity is 250 ml. Then two numbers of beakers, then tamping rod, spatula for the purpose of leveling sand, and then trowel. Then let's start the procedure. Take 200 ml of sand in measuring jar. ml and then level it with the help of spatula. Level it with the help of spatula without shaking. Then put this 200 ml sample in empty beaker. After that, take 100 ml of water in measuring jar. You can see here. Here 90, after that 100 ml. Okay. Then put this sand sample 200 ml sample in measuring jar in 3 layers. Your first layer is completed. Then mix it with tamping rod. After that, second layer. Then last layer is third layer. And then mix it. After that, you can see here our first volume of loose sand is 200 ml, and then next volume of saturated sand is 180 ml. So this is our bulking sand. So calculations is, the reading is, first we take volume of loose sand in ml, that is 200 ml. Then next volume of saturated sand in ml is 180 ml. Then calculations is, to find out bulking of sand is equal to H1 minus H2 divided by H2 multiplied by 100. This is our H1, this is our H2. Okay, so here put this value in this formula. H1 is 200 ml minus H2 is 180 ml divided by 180 multiplied by 100. This 200 minus 180 divided by 180 multiplied by 100, this 11.11%. This is our bulking of sand in percentage. Okay, thank you.